Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to do an inspired eyeshadow from Raiden in Genshin Impact. First I'm going to create a base with the concealer and blend it with a sponge. Then I'm going to create a triangle shape in the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm going to use a purple color to remind me of a Raiden's eye color. I'm going to use a fluffy brush to tap the eye color into the crease and my outer corner of my eyes, and I'm using a fluffy brush to blend out the eyeshadow into the inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to use a detailer brush to cut the edge of the eyeshadow, and I'm going to blend it into inner corner of my eyes. Then I'm going to connect the lower liner of my eye to the top with a purple eyeshadow. I'm going to use a shimmery eyeshadow in the middle of my eyelid. I'm going to use a matte lilac into inner corner of my eye, and I'm going to blend it out. Then I'm going to use a glittery eyeshadow into the inner corner and middle of my eyelid, and I'm going to clean out my eyeshadow fallout with a sponge and concealer. Then I'm going to use a purple pencil into my waterline. I'm going to use a falsies. I hope you just enjoyed this eyeshadow. See you guys.